Imagine this. You work 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, maybe more. You get paid a decent wage. But no matter how hard you work, you're always just getting by. Why? Because you're stuck in the time trap, trading hours for dollars. And that system is designed to keep you broke. Here's the truth. There are only 24 hours in a day. You sleep, you eat, you commute. That leaves only so many hours to sell. And even if you have a high-paying job, your income is still limited by time. The moment you stop working, the money stops coming in. That's not freedom. That's a treadmill. Most people are taught from a young age to be good employees. Go to school, get a job, work hard, retire at 65. But in today's economy, that path doesn't lead to wealth. It leads to survival. Inflation keeps rising. Wages don't keep up. And meanwhile, the people getting rich aren't working more hours. They're using leverage. So what is leverage? It's the key to escaping the time trap. Leveraged income means your money, your skills, or your systems are working for you, even when you're not working. Think about business owners, investors, content creators, and entrepreneurs. They create something once, and it pays them over and over again. That's not just smart, that's scalable. Now let's break it down further. There are three main types of leverage: people, capital, and technology. People build teams and delegate work. Capital involves investing in assets that generate passive income, like stocks, real estate, or digital products. Technology can be a YouTube channel, an online course, a piece of software, something that runs while you sleep. The wealthy understand this. They don't sell their time. They buy other people's time. They buy assets. They buy systems. And because of that, they earn money 24 hours a day, not just when they're clocked in. If you want to break free, you need to stop thinking like an employee and start thinking like an owner. Start with one income stream that doesn't depend on your time. Maybe it's freelancing, digital products, investing small amounts consistently, or launching a side hustle. You don't need to be rich to start, but you do need to start to get rich. Here's the bottom line. Time is your most limited resource. Trading it for dollars is a losing game. But once you shift your mindset from earning through effort to earning through leverage, everything changes. If you found this eye-opening, subscribe to the Wealth Forum, because we don't just talk money, we break down the systems that shape your entire financial life.